Like every time, this time also we have brought something new and unique video for you. Look, both of them seem to be citizens of China, and we can also call them husband and wife. You will ask why only husband and wife. So for your information, let me tell you that these people stay with each other in every journey. His wife is cooking food with great effort, and her husband is also helping in cooking. He brings his wife along when he has a long journey, and currently these people are on a long journey. These people travel up to 200 kilometers every day, and together run the expenses of their house. After a little hard work and effort, his wife cooks the food. Now both of them enjoy eating together. If you like this video, then you must give a like and subscribe for your mother.